everyone. This is Shobha Chaudhary from Gyan Niketan. This is class 8 Geography, and today we are going to learn first chapter, Resources. Now, first of all, we should know about resource. What comes in our mind when we hear the term resource? Actually, anything which satisfied our need. Everything which is used by us and which satisfies our need is called a resource. Now students, if anyone is lying anywhere, that will not be a resource. For example, coal is lying inside the earth, but it is not extracted from interior of the earth and not being used. We can't say that is a resource. But yes, when it is extracted and being used in industries for other purposes, that time it becomes a resource. We can take example of Antarctica, where a large deposit of coal is lying inside the earth, but it is not extracted, so we can't say it is a resource. But yes, it is a potential resource because in future it is going to be used. Alright, now this is of three types. Resources are of three types. First one is natural resource, second one man-made resource, and third one is human-made resource. First of all, I am going to explain what is natural resource. Natural resource means naturally occurring substances. The resources which are lying on the earth, which are available on the earth's surface. For example, air is there, water is there, soil is there, forest is there, and wildlife. These all are natural resources which is created by nature, which is created by God, we can say. And this is not created by human. So this is called natural resources. Now second one is man-made resource. Man-made means it is made by humans. The natural resource is transformed by human being. The natural resource is transformed by human. For example, we are getting wood from forest and making furnitures. So furnitures are human-made resource. We are getting minerals, metals, and we are converting them into utensils. That is called human-made resource or man-made resource. These two terms are same, human-made or man-made. These both terms are meaning is same. So we can take example of stationaries, we can take example of vehicles. These all are human-made resources. And now last one is human resource. We are also a resource because our knowledge, our skill, our ideas create so many technologies. So we ourselves are a very precious resource. So we can classify the resource into three categories. First one is natural resource, second one is human-made resource, and third one is human resource. So when these three are found anywhere, we can run a country very well. Any country can be developed in a very systematic manner if these are found anywhere. The natural resources are found in many countries and some countries are lacking natural resources. So our India, our country, we can take example of our country. It is rich in natural resources and human power is also in our country, it is available, and human resources are converting these natural resources into man-made resources. Advancement of technology and other skills, other ideas, other knowledge are adding the value to the growth of our nation. Okay, thank you very much.